Hi, and thanks for visiting the Wellness Seeker channel. This video is an excerpt from the book Ancient and Traditional Healing Secrets of the Middle East. The link to buy this book can be found in the description. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button for support this channel and get more videos about spirituality and wellness. The practice of smoking tobacco, also known as a narghile, has its roots in the Middle East. Although smoking is one of the worst things we can do, there are some advantages to moderate smoking. In Marmaris Bazaar, I tried to find a suitable hookah for my shisha pleasure times, and after a long search, I found a small, but very quality tobacco shop. The owner of the shop gave me some tips on how to smoke narghile safely.
Different prices, eh?
Yes, they're different price. This one is 400 lira, so which is like 23 euro, something
23.
like that.
That's expensive for the size, eh?
Yeah. But this one, 200 lira.
This one?
Yes, 200 lira. But most for
200
decoration.
lira, how much euro?
It's about 11.50 euro.
11.50 euro.
Yes. This one, it's copper. You know copper?
Copper, yeah.
Yes. This is all made from copper. This is 750 lira, so which is like, let's say 40 euro.
40 euro, that's expensive.
But this is copper.
The best, eh?
Yeah, it's the best. And this one is 55 euro.
Yeah.
And you get big silicone pipe.
You have also the smoke here to
Yes,
buy.
I have also flavor.
What flavors you have?
I have apple, I have grape, I have mango tango, lady killer, love.
What Turkish people like most?
The
apple.
for Turkish people, you want?
Yeah.
For example, love 66, they love it.
Uh-huh.
And love 66 is meaning it's a mixed fruit.
Ah, mixed fruit.
Ice. Make you refreshing.
So you put ice for, because it's summer and then it's gonna be refreshing.
Yes, exactly. So, shisha, glass, base, terracotta, and smoking pipe. Two things important. One thing, smoking pipe, better to be leather.
Leather.
Yeah, if it is not leather, you can smoke with silicone. But when you smoke with silicone, you get plastic taste.
No, no good.
But leather one, you get what you're smoking. On the top terracotta have to be clay, not ceramic. If it is ceramic, look like this one and like this one. When you add the charcoal, it burns.
What material is this?
This is from the wood. Terracotta.
Mood, yeah.
Terracotta, you know. Have to be copper.
So this one, what is the name?
No, inside you see pipe in the glass.
Okay, the pipe, yes.
Have to be copper.
Copper.
Yes. If it is not copper, if it is iron or if it is tin, it make oxide.
Oh,
And it broke very easily and not good for health.
And what flavor is this?
Grape.
Grape. Yeah.
And tobacco also better to get proper one, not fake one. If you had a fake one, the fake one, instead of tobacco they use grass, instead of fruit they use perfume. So when you smoke, it hurts your throat. 10 minutes finish. But the proper one, 2 hours you can smoke.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Black, it gives you a headache, carbon monoxide.
So what do you use?
Barbecue charcoal
Barbecue charcoal.
or from the coconut tree.
Ah.
So
okay.
like cubes one, they are the best one. Inspiration is always good.
Otherwise it's fake.
No, otherwise not fake. Otherwise, I mean not burn, so carbon monoxide. Like barbecue, when you make barbecue, you burn complete charcoal.
So it's better like this.
Yes, better to be complete burning. How is tobacco?
Not too strong, as you say.
Oh,
You want?
why
Okay,
not?
bye.
This shit.
Shisha has become synonymous with relaxation, pleasure, and a break from everyday stress. Believe it or not, smoking narghile has many health benefits. To know more about narghile and smoking shisha health benefits, please buy the book Ancient and Traditional Healing Secrets of the Middle East. The link to buy this book can be found in the description. Middle Eastern ethnic groups use numerous herbal and holistic remedies. On my quest to complete my book, Ancient and Traditional Healing Secrets of the Middle East, I visited many Middle East regions and countries, including Bahrain, Egypt, Jordan, Dubai, Qatar, and Turkey. I tasted the nutrient-rich Middle Eastern cuisines, and I found more about the superfoods in these locations. But the healing treatments, the Middle Eastern spirituality, and the traditional Islamic medicine were the main reasons that I visited most of these countries.